Visual Studio Geek here, and today this is your third tutorial on subs and functions in Visual Basic. Now today I'm going to show you, I already told you, we're going to go over subs and functions. Now, what is a sub and what is a function? A sub is not something you get at Subway, not those kinds of really big sandwiches. Because I'm not a big fan of Subway. I don't like Subway. But what I'm a fan of are subs in Visual Basic and functions. Now, a sub is a function. Let's get to a function. Every function returns a value. Right now, I'm gonna write a function. I'm gonna name this function test. And a sub, like this one, is a function that does not return a value. I want to show you what these things really mean, because you might not understand what I just said. Wait, that was a little stupid. So you don't expect what this means right now. So I want to show you something. Sorry about the lag. My computer's not very powerful. Okay. Now I can show you what this does. Now every single program needs a module named module 1 and needs a sub named main. Those are all the prerequisites for a console application. Now we're gonna get to modules later. All I want you to know is that they are in existence, and you put code in them, and they're used for console applications. Now, this console.writeLine prints out text, and that text happens to come from this, and it prints text as a string value, and a string value is a value of text that is surrounded by either single quotes or double quotes. And now that there is no string value inside of the arguments of console.writeLine or the parentheses, but there is a function called test, which is in here, and that function returns a value that is a string value, and that string value returns hello world. And then console.readline. I'm going to remove this to show you something, to point out something. I don't think you saw that, but that was hello world. Now, this is what I want to show you. Console.readline. How many of you, first, do you program with Batch? How many of you program with Batch? You don't need to know Batch to do Visual Basic. But in Batch, there's this statement that has the, there's a statement, that has this, in Batch, there's a statement called this. This is equivalent to console.readline, but it's how you do console.readline in another language. If you don't know what this means, now console.readline and console.readline, they both mean to keep the window up when all the functions are done running. And this is not part of Visual Basic whatsoever. And I think I showed you the error list. If I didn't, that means every programmer needs it, and that tells you what's wrong with the program, if there is something that needs to be, like if something wrong with the syntax. And if you do debug with them up, there'll be a notification coming up, and if you and that's gonna be run into some errors. And some errors can end up giving your computer a blue screen. Some of them don't, so it's always best if you don't keep them running to fix all the errors before debugging. Now let's finish the video with a like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.